Now, for example, while working on projects, it is a preferred choice to always create a new environment when you're working on a project. Like, for example, if I'm working on any machine learning project, generally I will require Jupyter Notebook. That's like an IDE where I can interactively see the outcome. Then I'll require NumPy, I will require Pandas, I will require the matplotlib libraries and the machine learning libraries that I'm gonna use. That is like when I'm working on machine learning. But for example, if I'm not working on machine learning, if I'm working on something else, maybe some other project, maybe it doesn't require that many libraries. So in that case, it's always a better choice to create a new environment every time you create a new project. So now let's create another environment. Uh, create my Conda create minus n Python 3.11 maybe. I'll give the name as Python 3.11. Then I'll give as maybe ML. Okay. And I'll type Python equal to 3.11. Now it's going to download the Python 11 and all the dependencies that is required to run Python 11. And it's also going to install the pip and the wheel and maybe some 2 to 3 more libraries that is required. I should say packages. So what they are saying, package not found, Python equal to 3.11. Okay. Let's install Python 3.9 then. If they're saying package not found, Python 3.9, where Python equal to Python 3.9. Yep. Yeah. So now if I proceed and I give yes, I don't know why Python 3.11 is not present, but it's actually present in the Python official website. But anyways, Python 3.9 is present and we have downloaded it. So we are on this working environment. We can go directly to this working environment. Okay, so let's do that. Conda activate. Maybe this time I'll just copy and paste. I'll select this. I'll do Control C. I'll come over here, Control V, and I will press enter. And our environment got activated. Okay. Now, if I clear the screen and if I do pip list, these are the libraries that are present by default. Okay. So we have the pip and we have the wheel and other few basic libraries that is required. Now, for example, here in ML, if I want to install matplotlib, NumPy, this kind of things, I can install it like pip install NumPy. And now you also can install it like this way, pip install matplotlib. Okay. And if I press enter, it's able to download NumPy. It's able to download matplotlib and some of the libraries that are required for NumPy and matplotlib to run. Now it has installed these libraries. I will do Control L, clear this, do a pip list. And now you can see this libraries got installed. Like this one got installed, this one got installed, font tools, kiwi solver, matplotlib, NumPy. Okay. So now we have created 2 environments from the starting. How can I see all the environments that I've created? Maybe I have worked on 2 projects. Now how I can see all the projects all the environments that I've created. So for that you have to do Conda env list. Yeah. So if you see carefully, I have the base environment, okay, where everything is installed, okay, and I have Python 3.10 environment. Okay, you can also see the location where it is located. You can also see Python 3.10 ML, which we created just now, and the location where it is present. So in this way, you can isolate your environments and keep your projects like keep your libraries of different projects in different environments. So for example, in this project, I may not require Jupyter Notebook. So I don't have to download that many number of dependencies. Maybe I don't require some TensorFlow I don't require. So I don't need to download those things. So it's better to separate things out, and Conda env list shows you all the environments that is present.